little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
I am an apple. Remove the stem of an apple. Peel out the apple and cut the apple into pieces. Put an apple into pancake. Cover the pancake. Let's bake it. Now, our pancake is ready. Again, remove the stem. Peel out the apple. Cut the apple into pieces. Let's make an apple ice cream. Our apple ice cream is ready. Again, remove the stem. Peel out the apple. Cut the apple into pieces. Let's make an apple juice. Wow, our apple juice is ready. Green, red, and yellow. Or orange with the brown shape. So sweet and crispy. It's me, that people say. Find me in delicious desserts like ice cream and cake. Eat me raw every day. To send doctor away.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.